To clean or replace the vanes on V35, you will need a 6mm hex wrench, an O-ring removal tool, grease, gloves, a lint-free cloth, and needle nose pliers. Start the process by turning the pump off and disconnecting the pump from power. Using a 6mm hex wrench, remove the cover plate. Use an O-ring removal tool to remove the O-ring. Remove the rotor and vanes from the pump cavity. Use care and avoid dropping the vanes into the strainer cavity. Inspect the vanes and O-ring for wear, debris, and damage. If replacement parts are needed, they can be purchased through a local distributor or ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of the pump with your smartphone. If the pump cavity is fouled, clean the cavity and components with a clean, lint-free cloth. To reassemble V35, replace the rotor and vanes in the pump cavity. Ensure the vanes are installed with the flat side oriented counterclockwise within the rotor. Coat the O-ring lightly with grease. Then install the O-ring and retighten the cover plate to the housing. Ensure there are no gaps left between the cover plate and the pump housing. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPRO.